Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to Sister J's World. Thank you all so much for the love and support. I really appreciate you. Let's make carrot juice.
Sister J, are your word. Sister J word, are your word.
So here I have the carrots, and I'm going to go ahead and peel them. I already have them washed. I'm going to peel them, cut them up, and then steam them. If you're here for the first time and you're not yet connected with me, go ahead and hit the red subscription button. Put that post notification bell on so you'll be notified of future upload. So now that the carrots already steam, I'm gonna go ahead and make the carrot juice. Over here I have supplicant, cinnamon powder, nutmeg, vanilla essence, rose water, sweetened condensed milk, and a blender. So let's get into this. I'm going to go ahead and put the carrots in the blender. And as I mentioned before, I'm using the same water that I steamed the carrot in to blend the carrots. So I'm just going to blend smoothly, and then I add the ingredients and then blend again. Many of us may be aware of carrots' positive impact on our eyesight, but there are many other benefits to this orange veggie. Here are some of the health benefits of carrots. Carrots are rich in vitamins, mineral, and fiber. They are also a good source of antioxidants. Carrot may also support your cholesterol balance and heart health. It may help with weight loss goal. It may also reduce the risk of cancer, and it may support your gut health. For the majority of people and as part of a balanced, healthy diet, carrots are generally recognized as safe unless you have an allergy to them. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend up this carrot juice nicely now that all the ingredients are in. See how thick it is? So I'm adding some ice to that and blend it. So now this is the consistency I'm looking for. Nice, thick and rich carrot juice. Yes, this juice is a juice that I grew up on. Mama Velma, big up yourself. Yes. And there you have it, lovely people. My carrot juice is ready. See it there? I thank you all so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so. Blessings to all. Thank you so much for making it Sister J's World. Please go ahead and try this carrot juice out. And come back and let me know in the comment section how did it go. Thanks for watching.